AP Bio. Okay, so I'm going to make 3 videos for class today. This first one is just going to go over the agenda and the logistics and some questions from the survey. So first, here is the agenda. I plan every day that we would have class to be posting a slideshow with an agenda, etc., just like I normally would. So here it is. The first thing you should do, I'm going to change this. So the first thing you would do after watching this video is you're going to watch the Amoeba Sisters video. So it's on viruses, and you'll see I posted a little note for you about that. So read this note, and then after you watch that, then you can watch the second and third videos. Some things, what's due on Thursday. So on Thursday, we're going to have our first quiz on AP Classroom. That's quiz 6-1. I'll talk about that more in video number 2. And then also there will be a pre-lab due on Google Classroom. So it'll be a Google Doc that you can edit and turn in on Google Classroom. So hopefully that'll be pretty straightforward. Okay. Let's talk about some questions from the survey. If you haven't already done the survey, you need to do it. It was due on Monday at 4 p.m. But here are some answers to the questions you guys asked. If notes are assigned, do you prefer written ones and pictures sent in, or type ones to submit on Google Classroom? I don't care. I would like you ideally to turn things in on Google Classroom when at all possible instead of emailing. Just because I prefer to keep my email inbox for questions and things like that and not have it flooded with things being turned in. But if you can't figure out how to turn it in on Google Classroom, then you can email it to me. If you do flashcards or a concept map, you could take a photo of it and post it to Google Classroom. Or if you want to make a digital concept map or flashcards, you can do that and post the link to Google Classroom. All your own choice, whichever works best for you. The quizzes, so you're going to access them just like you've accessed the progress checks on AP Classroom that we did last semester. This isn't going to be a progress check though, it's going to be a quiz that I've created on there, and you'll do it there. It is going to be honor code that you are not looking at your notes while you take it. So make sure that you are being an honorable person, but obviously also the proficiency points. So it's really just you doing what's best for you, meaning don't cheat on a practice quiz because that's not going to tell you anything. And like I've talked about before, remember we can often trick ourselves into thinking that we know more than we actually know. So make sure that you are actually taking the practice quiz as a quiz. Don't do it with notes. Next, labs. I don't know. I'm going to be figuring that out. So stay tuned for Thursday. More on that. The classwork doesn't need to happen during the time that we would be in class, just the day that we would have class. So meaning, I know everyone's got different things going on in terms of like maybe you only have a few laptops at home, not one per person, or maybe you don't have any laptop at home, or maybe you don't have internet, or who knows. Everyone's got different things going on. So just when you find the time to do it on that day, or maybe even the day after, that's okay. Just get it done around that time period. You're turning in assignments on Google Classroom. And at this point, I'm not planning to have online classes just because, like I said before, I think everyone is probably dealing with different things, so it'd be hard to coordinate everyone at the same time. But I am going to be trying out to do some videos, and I am also going to have virtual tutoring. So if you are interested in checking in with me one-on-one or in a small group, just reach out and I can set up tutoring for you, or if you would prefer me to have like a set time that we can check in every few days, then let me know and I can set that up too. Just let me know because it's hard to know what everyone wants when we can't even be together. Okay, I think that's all for that. Back to the agenda. So we went over the agenda, logistics, questions from the survey. So this video is going to end. Then you're going to watch the Amoeba Sisters viruses video, and then I will be back to talk to you about natural selection. So thanks. See you soon.